back students. I am Richa from the SD Vidya School, Ambala Kent. Today I am going to explain exercise 5.1. The first question of this exercise is find the complement of angle 20 degree. As I have explained you earlier, what are complementary angles? The sum of two angles is 90 degree. As I have give you some hint to remind, C, the formation of C is 9. In 90 we are finding C. So again I am explaining this. The sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then these two angles are called complementary angles. And for supplementary, when sum of two angle is 180 degree. So these two concepts I am going to use in the first and second question. Now they are saying find the complement of. They have already said that the first angle is 20 degree. We have to find the second angle. Complement angles hai. That's why the sum of them is 90 degree. So we have to find the complement of 20 degree. Complement of 20 degree, what it will be? 90 minus 20. The sum of 20 plus that number is 90. So how we will find 90 minus 20 is 70. So the complement of 20 is 70 degree. In this way we will do all the parts of question 1. For complement we will subtract from 90, and for supplement, as we all know, the sum of two angles is in supplement it's 180. So the if angle is 105 angle, and the other angle we have to find, as it's given its supplement means the sum is 180 degree. So we will subtract it from 180 minus 105. We will get our answer 75. In this way we will find the complementary and supplement angles. Now I am going to explain question number 3. Identify these pair of angles are complement or supplement. Students, if the sum of these two angles is 90, then it will be complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 180, then the sum will be, if the sum is 180, then these angles are supplementary angles. So first of all, I'll do part A. The sum is 180. So the angles are supplementary angles. And here 45 degree plus 45 degree. The sum of 45 is 90 degree. So 90 we are finding C in this. This is complementary angles. Pair of complementary angles. This is pair of supplementary angles. In this way students, you will do all the rest of the parts for identifying. Just you will add and you will find out. It will become either 180 or 90. Now again I am explaining question 1 for you. For complement we have to subtract from 90. For supplement we have to subtract from 180, and for identifying the pairing we have to add and find. If the sum is 180, then the pair are supplementary pairs. If the sum is 90, then the given pair of angles are complementary. And now I am going to explain. Find question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Complement means 90 degree. Find the angle. So let the angle be x degree. Now they are saying find the angle which is equals to its complement. Means both the angles are equal. If first is angle x, other angle will also be x. Complement means their sum will be 90 degree as according to the statement. This is according to the statement. We will write it like this. According to the statement, x plus x is 90. X is 2x, 90 degree. So x ki value of x 90 upon 2. As it's in multiplication here, when it will transport to right hand side, it will be in division 45 degree. In this way we can say an angle is 45 which is equals to its complement. Means if I'll find out the complement of 45, it will be 45. So in this way we will do question number 4, and 5 is also same. Thank you.